Look at all that mess. Cracked eggs, flour, dough everywhere. Aren't you tired? Doesn't your back hurt?
But I'm trying to make a homemade loaf.
Well, say no more. Introducing Optimum Breadmaker. With 17 preset functions, you'll be able to make dough, bread, and loaves in the comfort of your own home. It's as simple as 1, 2, and 3. All you have to do is add your ingredients, select the menu, and the Optimum Breadmaker will do the job for you. It's so easy with the Optimum Breadmaker. Simply customize your preference, select the menu, and you're good to go. Say hello to a range of baguettes, ciabatta, white loaves, brown loaves, and anything else your heart fancies. Don't just stop there, because with the cake, jam, and yogurt settings, you'll be able to make your very own preservative-free foods in the comfort of your own home kitchen. Tailor your bread to make 100% gluten-free loaves and loaves in different sizes, 500 grams, 750 grams, and 1 kilo. Choose from light, medium, or dark crust. No matter what your preference, the Optimum Breadmaker is able to create the perfect loaf for you. For optimized baking, the built-in microprocessor allows you to adjust heat intensity for a proper enzymatic reaction. With intuitive touch sensor and a large LCD display, you'll be able to watch your bread go from flour to dough to the perfectly baked loaf. The non-stick baking pan is easy to remove and allows for quick and easy cleaning. Optimum, quality you can trust.